Hello everyone, I'm going to show you my mushroom logs. This is some shiitakes. I done these a little over a year ago. I had to cut some trees down, so I decided to use the wide oak and make some mushroom logs. This was a pretty simple project. Cut the logs in 4 and 5 foot lengths, took a drill, drilled my logs about 3 to 4 inches apart, drove the wooden dowels that already has the spawn on it, drove them in, take candle wax and a torch, melt some wax over the dowels and the holes, seal the ends of it up, the ends of the logs, and wait. So it's springtime now. Last year we got some shiitakes. It's springtime now, and there's like just one or two starting to come up or come out of the log. Right down there's one. So I came out here a week ago and decided to force fruit one just to test it. And that is the log there. I just took the log, threw it in the water, waited for a day or two, come back out here and got it and put it back in the shade. And we got some nice shiitake mushrooms. I'm going to show you some more logs here in the water. It's always a good idea to do your mushrooms near water so you can force fruit them. There's a couple more of my logs. Got them snared on some roots so they won't go nowhere, won't float down the creek. It's very simple. You just wait and you can have some nice shiitakes with a little bit of work. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and please subscribe. That lets me know to come out here and do some more cool videos. Thanks everyone.